I would draw like an arm. This one feels more like a charcoal brush, in my opinion. So my reference here is actually like a drawing of Superman, but I'm focusing more on the freaking arm. That's just like a cape and a ginormous freaking neck. You know, a very masculine looking guy. Oh no, he's hot. Go away. Flap, 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 flap. I want to study like the shadows and everything. Let's do this. Oh, I think this is more of a charcoal brush. I mean, should I add more of a fade? Wait, let me hit D. It's my shortcut for this pop-up. Should I don't know. We'll do this. Fuck it, we'll do this. Yeah, it's too weak. By the way, when it comes to the pen pressure, you have to make sure you adjust it to your own needs. You have to adjust like the pen pressure like of your global settings for your like tablet. You also you can do this via your like per program as well. Most softwares, tablet softwares have this. Like you can adjust the pen pressure depending on the program, and also even in Clips with the Paint, it has like its own settings for pen pressure, which you can change, and you can also change pen pressure of individual brushes. So before you even start playing around with custom brushes, I think you need to master just learning how to use pen pressure. Like if you can't make the round brush work for you, I think it's an issue. Oh, not bad. For a look at that's a freaking chest. It's not perfect, the drawing, but I can draw with it. Yeah, inking is its own skill. Because right now my reference is kind of like a sketch. Like it's not the full illustration, but it looks so freaking good. Oh, it's by Dan Mora. I'm seeing like the description. I think, have I reviewed the work of Dan Mora? Maybe, maybe not. Oh, does that even look like an arm? Like it looks broken. Okay. Yeah, it looks fucking like damaged. Oh no. Oh, it's over. Quit now. I feel like I'll use the liquify tool. Like what if I bring the shoulder a little, or this tricep a little higher? Did I even change anything? Oh, it looks so weird. Oh, it's over. Quit now. Yeah, I think the proportions are all off. Okay, I'm kind of crying on the inside because it's not working out. Let's try it again. Smaller version. The elbow's kind of like that. Canvas. Longer. Yeah, this dinosaur wins. Protrudes out. Yeah, this is like the arm. Right? The base. There's some muscle that goes out a little bit. Same thing here. It's not that big. Oh! I had no idea. When it comes to the fingers, just looking at the drawing, it's shorter at the first sort of segment. Oh. Because let me just draw a hand quickly, because I always assumed. Let's just draw the thumb here. The hand, okay. Let's say this is the finger, right? Or the fingers, pinky. That's kind of halfway. I mean, there are like 3 segments, right? But you can, the tops can be like, it can be simplified to just this, like a third. Like it's not half, kind of like this. Half and then like this. No, it's actually like a third. Like if this is the whole thing, right? If this is the whole thing, it's not half, it's like the third. And then it's not third, but oh fuck me. I'm making a mistake. The point is it's kind of short here. It's like 30, 70? I don't know. I don't know. I mean, what? Oh no, I'm dumb. It's over. Quit now. Yeah. I'm just looking at this segment over here. Look at how short this is and it becomes long. And they're not even drawing like the third segment where the fingernail is. Yeah. We'll skip the hand. How do you draw the muscle? It's kind of like this, right? But there's also another part of the deltoid that goes like this. And then the rib cage. But the lats are kind of like here too, where the pecs sort of insert themselves. But there's actually like a shadow over here. I think I would just do too zoomed in with this base. But wait, who knows? You know what? I'm gonna make a new layer to be safe. When I'm gonna add like the shadows. He does this thing like shortcut with the ribs. You know those kind of like wing or gills? They look like gills. I'm doing a bad job, but whatever. You know what? We'll skip that. You know, like we'll make it fade out a bit. It's kind of like using a dry brush. Or one of those pocket like pen ink brushes. Like a pocket brush pen that can like, yeah. What? Fade out? Oh, it still looks ugly. What am I doing wrong? Yeah, the bicep is just fucking weird. Maybe it's too big. Oh, it's over. Cry now. Oh, it's kind of working actually. Go. Oh, the shoulder has to be cut deeper. Yeah, as a painting brush, probably not. But it could be like part of the ink sort of set. I don't know, or charcoal set. Okay, I think it was missing mass. I think some personal touches. Oh wow, comicer. I'm an artist. What? Yeah, I think I've done an. I think so. Have I done an art review of this guy? Yeah, I'm gonna skip that. Looks too ugly. Yeah, I can sketch small with it. Yeah, it's a great sketch brush. Oh, I can bring in a little bit of that. Let's not forget the freaking like face. Oh, there. Oh, sorry, my bad. So no, I'm on a new layer. So we'll just hit this. Oh, shade it. See the, oh yeah, that arm looks a lot better than. Yeah, we'll make it a little more pointed, or kind of more like that. Make the brush a little smaller. Oh, yeah, make the brush a little more smaller. Wow! Oh my god! Inker, artist, step aside. Sorry, you're kind of speaking to a pro here, so okay, easy with the ego. I feel like the forearm muscle. This one over here, we'll do that. Make the brush smaller. Oh my god, do that. Oh, hit black. Oh, now it looks even better. Oh, let's try this. Yeah, you want to make sure that the muscle insertion is pretty like ideal. Oh, and not too much. Add a bit of a gap. So as an artist of high caliber, let me just show you my reference. Wait, I want to pause the video because I want to see if I actually review the guy. I am back. So this is my reference for the. Let me just adjust the image. Control Alt up, Control P. Okay. There you go. Yeah, I was studying this arm, but this piece is by Dan Mora based on the description. I haven't done an art review of the guy, but I have been. I think I've followed him for a while now, so I may have to, right? Eventually. Look at those brush strokes, very efficient, very efficient. I do like them. Yeah, so I was studying this part of the arm. I mean, it's kind of close, you know. It's a study. It's not meant to be exact, but okay, I'm missing something here. Let's do that. Oh, there you go. Kind of cuts a little bit like that. Oh, there you go. Make the brush way smaller. Ooh. Add a bit of. There you go. Just something. Yep. Okay. I'm gonna stop there.